What can you see in the picture? What can you see in the picture? This one, what can you see? There are animals and humans, right? Okay, let's count how many animals. Okay, let's count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
12. Okay. How many animals can you see in the picture? There are 12 animals. Okay. How about people? How many people can you see?
4,
There are. Okay. Say there are.
4.
Say there. There are 4 people. Okay. So can you point where is a cow? Where is a cow? Where is a cow? In the picture, where is a cow? Okay. Cow. Okay, how about a dog? Where is a dog? Where is a dog in the picture? Okay, very good. How about an elephant? Where is an elephant? Okay. How about crocodile? Okay. How about a dog? Where is a dog? Duck. Okay. Can you see a frog? Okay. The frog is on. Where is the frog? Where is the frog? The frog is on. Okay, the head of the duck. Okay. How many are giraffes?
There are 2.
Okay, there are 2 giraffes. Okay. How about cat? How many cats?
There are 3 cats.
Okay, very good. Okay, look at this picture. How many boats? How many boats? Boats can you see? There are. Okay. What are these boys doing? They are eating. Okay, very good. What's the color of this bull? Okay, the color of the bull is. Okay. What's the color of the crocodile? The color of the crocodile is. Okay. What is this boy doing? He is. Oh, very good. So, how many boys can you see in the picture? How many boys? Can you count? Okay. How about girls? How many girls can you see? Okay. What can you see about the monkey? The monkey. What can you say about the monkey? What can you say about the monkey? The monkey is on the top of the palm tree. Okay. How many birds can you see? Okay. How many bags can you see? How many bags? Paper bags. How many paper bags can you see? There are 3 bags. Okay. What is this? Okay. What is this? It's a camera. What is this? What is this? Okay. What is this? Grapes. What is this? What is this? What is this?
It's piano.
Okay. Can you play a piano? Yes or no?
No.
How about computer? Do you know how to use this computer?
Yes.
Okay. Do you like snakes?
No.
No, I don't.
No.
Do you eat grapes? Do you eat?
Yes.
Okay, very good. How about fries?
No.
Do you eat fries? No, I don't. And do you know how to use this SLR camera? How about helicopter? Do you know how to drive or fly this helicopter? Do you like bananas? Okay. How about apple?
Yes.
Do you like to eat apple?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you have dogs at home?
No.
Okay. How about kittens or cat? Do you have cats at home?
Yes.
Okay. So, okay. What's the name of your mother again? The name of your mother. What's the name of your mother?
It's good.
The name. The name. No, the name. Say the name.
Hey.
No, no. The name of my mother. Say the. Repeat after me. No. Say it. Repeat after me. The name of my mother is H. Okay. What's the name of your father?
Apple.
The name.
Apple.
The name of my father is.
Apple.
Okay. So, do you have a brother or a sister?
I have a brother.
Okay. How many brother?
One.
Only one. How about a sister?
Zero.
Okay, 0. Okay. How many people live in your family?
Four.
There are 4 people. Okay, let's name it. Mom,
Dad.
brother,
Mom.
and then you. Okay, alright. Thank you. Congratulations. Congratulations. And last one.